All right, so basically sine looks like this, where you start at 0, 0, you come up, you hit 1, peek out, you hit 0 at pi. And then you come down, you come back up again. But I'm not worried about that because what I worry about is what 3 pi over 4 is. So if that's half a pi, then our magic number, it's supposed to be a half a pi, our magic number is that guy. Now, a lot of people, when they're asked to memorize these sines and cosines and stuff like that, they don't memorize anything after pi over 2. They memorize everything up to pi over 2, but no matter. I know from memorization that pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And since pi over 4 has the same exact positioning as 3 pi over 4, then 3 pi over 4 is also going to be root 2 over 2, so the answer is C. I'm not sure if this problem is a calculator section problem. Maybe it is, and if that's the case, then you just throw that in your calculator. It'll give you some terrible number, but it'll be a positive number, so it won't be you, and you would just have to figure out which terrible positive number matches up with that guy. But again, if it's not a calculator section, you're basically saying, all right, well, pi over 4 is in the same exact spot as 3 pi over 4, so sine 3 pi over 4 is the same as sine pi over 4. Therefore, the answer is root 2 over 2.